How to change currency on Steam. Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you some steps that is gonna help you change currency on Steam. You just need to follow some steps. Open your Steam on your laptop and tap on the account. Then go to account details. Here you can see update stored country, where if you have moved to a different country, you may be able to update your Steam wallet and how you view the store is written. Tap on it, then go to contact Steam support. And then scroll down a bit and again tap on contact Steam support. After tapping on it, just select the country of whichever you want that the country of which you want to change the currency into. Then type I want my currency to change into dollars and send. After that, you can see that your request has been submitted, and in that way you can get some changes within some time and you may change your currency into dollars. So I hope this video was helpful to you and you liked it. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.